Morning guys. I really want to go to this class, this yoga class from the same teacher, but at Cocoa Beach, because it looks absolutely stunning and like the most beautiful way to start the day. But usually the class is at 7:30 and it's on the complete opposite side of Nice to me. But today it's at 8, so I got up at 6 and I'm moving my little butt to get there on time, so keep your fingers crossed for me that I make it. I'm starting to master these heels, guys. But my legs are feeling it. It's kind of nice. It's like free gym every day. The architecture in Nice though. This one has a B on the front door. It's meant to be. Look at the frieze on this place. It's stunning. This is Port Lampia. And you've got Colline de Chateau over there where I usually have yoga. We are heading over here. It was definitely worth getting up early. It's so beautiful in Nice in the morning. The apartments with the blue and white Art Deco style railings, so pretty. I've never been to Cocoa Beach before, but it's somewhere around the point there. It says Terminal 1, so I'm guessing that this is where you take the ferry to Corsica and Sardinia. That accessibility factor was actually one of the main reasons that we decided to move here. It's just like, you've got Monaco, you've got Italy. It's a further drive, but you can get to Portugal and Spain. You can catch the ferry, which is surprisingly affordable, to Corsica and Sardinia. It's just so well located, and although Nice is known for being kind of expensive to live in, you can live here affordably. Like the rent part is expensive, but after that, if you want to live a lifestyle where you travel on your weekends and your days off, it's very accessible. The view from here doesn't really just do it justice on camera, but it's stunning because I'm walking and I'm kind of in a hurry. This filming is shocking. Sorry. I'm intrigued by this as someone who used to be a competitive swimmer. I might investigate. That could be fun. Look at this cute little beach down here with its little rock swim deck. Obviously it's not open, but this is probably the most famous restaurant in Nice, called Plongeoir. It has literally divers coming off the side of it. This walk was so worth it. Oh my god, look at some of these places up here. Just so beautiful. I think sometimes yoga is here, but there is another group there today, so we're going to be over there, I believe. I really hope she does more 8 AM yogas because this was the best way to start the day. This walk is amazing. Yeah, we've moved up. Much needed matcha latte from Full Bloom. I don't think it gets much better than this. I was being told today by Fiona running the class that this is the best cafe she's found so far, and I have to agree. Just stumbled across a vintage store that looks very cute. Fripp in the City gives me a Sex and the City reference, maybe. We've definitely got some vintagey things inside. I am intrigued. Unfortunately, they are not open, so I may have to come and visit them another day, but I also picked up a little acai bowl from Oakberry, which I've tried in Australia. I had no idea they had it in France, but apparently they have 2 locations in Nice, and it was really good. I had it with pistachio cream. Holy cow. But because it was like a pre-order one, like one that's already designed, it was the most giant size. I'm so freaking full. I just picked up a package that I cannot wait to show you guys. I hope it fits. It's a vintage package. I'm just gonna let the surprise come. Okay, let's see what this baby looks like. hoping she is as cute as she looks on Vinted. She's got good structure, which I was a little bit worried about. She's a little cute bathing suit. It was listed as a medium, but she's pretty small, so let's see how we go. She's quite stretchy, but she is old, so I'm a little bit worried the elastic will go quite quickly, but she's very cute. The label, you can see she's very sweet, and I'm thinking that she would look quite good as a top with a skirt, so I'm gonna try her on and see if she fits. Here she is. I'm having to stand behind the bed for you guys to see her full length, but yeah, I think as a top it'll be very cute because it is sort of almost like a really thick t-shirt material with stretch to it, so it won't be too hot if I wear it, and it's very form-fitting, sucks the belly in. It's quite cheeky for a vintage swimsuit, but I'm very happy with that purchase. She also has removable straps, which I think is a really cool feature. So I can wear her strapless, and she is tight enough that she will stay up like that. So I won't take the back off now, but yeah, very cute. Hello, Lulu has joined us for the little show and tell, haven't you? Hello, this is a good boy. Yeah. I was envisaging her with this skirt, which I think is going to look really cute. Let's see. Hopefully I can still fit into her. Haven't worn her for a while. Oh yeah, we're alright. Ooh, I think it's going to look really cute. The mirror is behind you guys, so sorry, I'm peering in the mirror. Ooh, me likey. Yes. Brush colours are back. It has been a hot minute since I've used these, but for humid weather and a quick dry, they work really well, so I'm gonna set with them. Okay, let's see how this turned out. Looking promising. Look at that curl. So good. I love these for the volume that they give, and they also dry really fast because of that brush factor. The air gets into the roller really easily. They can get a bit tangled in your hair if your hair is longer, so be careful. This is about as long as I'd want my hair to be using these, because after this it can get real nasty and you can have to cut them out, so would not recommend on longer styles. Usually for a 60s style I wouldn't start by brushing through, but I just want to see how this turned out volume wise before I start teasing and stuff. Oof, wish I hadn't brushed that. Instant regret. Like my Barbie hair, curl her around. Or something a bit like that over here. We shall see. My hair is so much softer since moving to Nice. The water in Dijon has so much calcium in it. It was drying my hair out so bad. It was becoming really, really hard to get it to hold a curl because it was just so heavy from all of the calcium buildup. Ooh, look at that wave. Obviously I don't want it in front of my face like that, but that is pretty. All right, yeah, I'm definitely gonna need to tease. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna go and get my hair cut this coming week, so that will make a lot of difference because my hair tends to grow faster on this side than this side, which is why it tends to be a little uneven. But there we go. I love this like wavy thing we got going on here. Cute. I just finished filming a little reel with these 1950s interchangeable earrings. They have a whole bunch of different colors that come with it, and you snap them on and off. They're really cute. So I'll be putting that reel out shortly on Instagram. And now I have to start packing and getting organized because Val and I are driving back to Dijon, which is like a 7-hour drive, to go to Val's cousin's birthday party. So yeah, we've only been in Nice for a week and we're already going back to where we came from. But it should be fun to see family, and the parties that their family have are always really, really fun. Lots of food, lots of wine. I'm looking forward to it.